Another beautiful ride. Let's do it. 2 hypermotards, 2 MT-07s. And me. It's gonna be amazing if they don't stop us tonight. I lost my words. One, two, three, four, and me 5. The hypermotards, they look really nice from the back. How the exhausts are, you know, that high, and the lighting, it's like LED, but you know, LEDs, but diagonal. They look really nice. It's very strange. It's a very warm night, and it's not raining yet. Apparently, we will go to one of the best places to eat some sandwiches, owned by a Turkish guy. I say apparently because I've never been, so I cannot confirm or deny anything until I actually see it, taste it, try it. Where's this bell end in the front, honestly? I like your helmet. I like it. Well, now you can see the exhaust, how beautiful it looks with the xenon lights on. Lots of noise, lots of noise. I apologize to all London citizens for this disturbance. Floor it, floor it, floor it. Let's see it go! Oh no. I thought it was for us! Sounds good, huh? Yeah, yeah. That one sounds good. Yeah? Oh, it's SC. He was coming to me, what the hell, man? They can't see anything. Leicester Square. Almost Piccadilly Circus. Piccadilly Circus. Bloody hell. Just a small shortcut. It wasn't very well organized. It is what it is, I guess. Left, right, where are you going? How fast is he going? How fast is he going, this guy? Oh my god. Full speed. Fastest biker ever. That was hilarious. He was going like 20 miles per hour or more. Oh my god, he's coming. He's coming, he's behind me. Knightsbridge. Ugh. And Knightsbridge traffic. Nothing new today, you know. Yeah, we're not gonna fit there, are we? Oh, look at this nice guy. Thank you, Bobby. They left without me. Harrods, guys, Harrods. Worth shopping mall ever. Thank you. Guys, do you need a push? Or you okay? What is this polizia? Police! That was police. Okay, my friend, stay there. If you don't want to come, stay there. These houses here are the most expensive in the whole UK or London, I mean for the size, and the roads are rubbish. Electric vehicles only. Electric vehicles only. How many kV is your battery?
I have a battery in there.
This is funny. This is funny.